Rape is a type of sexual assault usually involving sexual intercourse or other forms of sexual penetration carried out against a person without that person's consent. The act may be carried out by physical force, coercion, abuse of authority, or against a person who is incapable of giving valid consent, such as one who is unconscious, incapacitated, has an intellectual disability, or is below the legal age of consent. The term rape is sometimes used interchangeably with the term sexual assault. The rate of reporting, prosecuting and convicting for rape varies between jurisdictions. Internationally, the incidence of rapes recorded by the police during 2008 ranged, per 100,000 people, from 0.2 in Azerbaijan to 92.9 in Botswana, with 6.3 in Lithuania as the median. Worldwide, sexual violence, including rape, is primarily committed by males against females. Rape by strangers is usually less common than rape by people the victim knows. And male on male and female on female prison rapes are common and may be the least reported forms of rape. Widespread and systematic rape and sexual slavery can occur during international conflict. These practices are crimes against humanity and war crimes. Rape is also recognized as an element of the crime of genocide when committed with the intent to destroy, in whole or in part, a targeted ethnic group. People who have been raped can be traumatized and develop post-traumatic stress disorder. Serious injuries can result along with the risk of pregnancy and sexually transmitted infections. A person may face violence or threats from the rapist, and, sometimes, from the victim's family and relatives. The term rape originates from the Latin raper, to snatch, to grab, to carry off. Since the 14th century, the term has come to mean, to seize and take away by force. In Roman law, the carrying off of a woman by force, with or without intercourse, constituted raptus. In medieval English law, the same term could refer to either kidnapping or rape in the modern sense of sexual violation. The original meaning of carry off by force is still found in some phrases, such as rape and pillage, or in titles, such as the stories of the rape of the Sabina women and the rape of Europa, or the poem The Rape of the Lock, which is about the theft of a lock of hair. Rape is defined in most jurisdictions as sexual intercourse, or other forms of sexual penetration, committed by a perpetrator against a victim without their consent. The definition of rape is inconsistent between governmental health organizations, law enforcement, health providers, and legal professions. It has varied historically and culturally. Originally, rape had no sexual connotation and is still used in other contexts in English. In Roman law, iter raptus was classified as a form of crimen vis, crime of assault. Raptus referred to the abduction of a woman against the will of the man under whose authority she lived, and sexual intercourse was not a necessary element. Other definitions of rape have changed over time. Until 2012, the Federal Bureau of Investigation considered rape a crime solely committed by men against women. In 2012, they changed their definition from the carnal knowledge of a female forcibly and against her will to the penetration, no matter how slight, of the vagina or anus with any body part or object, or oral penetration by a sex organ of another person, without the consent of the victim. The previous definition, which had remained unchanged since 1927, was considered outdated and narrow. The updated definition includes recognizing any gender of victim and perpetrator, and that rape with an object can be as traumatic as penile, vaginal rape. The Bureau further describes instances when the victim is unable to give consent because of mental or physical incapacity. It recognizes that a victim can be incapacitated by drugs and alcohol and unable to give valid consent. The definition does not change federal or state criminal codes or impact charging and prosecution. On the federal, state, or local level, it rather means that rape will be more accurately reported nationwide. Health organizations and agencies have also expanded rape beyond traditional definitions. The World Health Organization, non-physically forced penetration which occurs after a person is pressured verbally, has implemented universal screening for what has been termed military sexual trauma, and provides medical and mental health services free of charge to enrolled veterans who report MST. Some countries or jurisdictions differentiate between rape and sexual assault by defining rape as involving penile penetration of the vagina, or solely penetration involving the penis, while other types of non-consensual sexual activity are called sexual assault. Scotland, for example, emphasizes penile penetration, requiring that the sexual assault must have been committed by use of a penis to qualify as rape. The 1998 International Criminal Tribunal F.